I have my anti-static mat in place and I'm grounded to it. I'm putting on my anti-static gloves. I'm going to remove the motherboard from the anti-static bag. And first thing I'm going to do is to install the processor, CPU. Alright, I managed to get it out of the cardboard, and I'm going to open up the locking mechanism. And this lifts up. I have removed the CPU from its packaging. Handle it by the edges. All right. There's a little notch right there and over here, which should correspond with the notches down there. And there's a little arrow in the corner that's supposed to point in that direction, in that corner, according to the instructions. And now, lay that back down and bring the lever down, and that little thing on top will pop off. It's supposed to help make sure everything's centered, which it did. And the CPU is installed.